Good morning, lovely people. Welcome back to the farm and the best part of your day where I get to spend part of mine with you. It has been a gorgeous couple of days. We had 2 days that got, yesterday got up to 45 degrees. The day before that was 43, 42, somewhere around there. So over 40 degrees. Low to mid 40s for the last couple of days. Today's gonna be a little cooler. But the thing I'm really concerned about is when you have such nice days, you tend to get bad weather following that. It's just the way it goes. Sometimes it's the trade-off, right? So there's a winter storm bearing down on us right now as we speak. We're looking at 4 to 7 inches of snowfall, and that means we need to get everything ready around here for that snow when it touches down and it starts to accumulate. And we'll have, you know, up to 30-mile-per-hour gusts blowing snow around, causing drifting. I need to be able to get out here, clear the snow, and take care of business. There's also some things that we want to get done before the snow. Before that happens though, just let me remind you, we are going to be changing the channel name. I put out a video yesterday talking about channel name changes, what's coming with that, some ideas. You go back if you want to check that out, see what we're talking about as far as name changes, and you can even let us know what you think about that, which one we should choose. Also, don't forget, daily vlog videos. You're definitely going to want to keep an eye on this channel over the next couple of days. With this storm coming in, you're going to see how this storm develops and progresses and what it does here on the farm and how it affects us. We'll probably be doing some snow blowing, which is why I got that 72-inch snow blower in there. And I'll be doing some more on that snow blower once I've gotten a chance to use it and we get to spin it up and see how it runs. Anyway, we got to get in there. It's off to the races and on to the farm work. Bonnie and Clyde are none too happy that I'm in here. They're right over here. Our beautiful silver apple yard ducks. Oh yeah, we got some eggs here. Oh man, there's a double yoker. I don't think they're frozen yet either. We might come out here hour after a chicken has laid an egg and it's already frozen. So we're gonna have Thane run the eggs in. Here you go, 3 eggs. Are you going to be laying an egg? Oh, you did lay an egg. Look at that. All right, so we got 1 egg here. Oh, and we got an egg right there. That egg was more than a little dirty, so we're going to feed that to the pigs. We'll have Thane run this nice clean one in. There you go. We got another egg I found in there. All right, scoot over. It's kind of hard to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. I want to go over to the ducks first. Alright, you see how these pigs are up on this fence here? We don't want them to do that anymore. We're going to load up all their bowls. We're going to start feeding them in there, just on the other side of that fence. Yeah, it looks like they've got a nice bed of hay in there. so that'll definitely help them stay warm. All right, so they've got their hay trampled up against the back and along the sides. Yeah, they're sitting pretty good as far as a warm shelter here now. I do see a little bit of light coming down through the top, but I don't think you're gonna avoid all of that unless you cap this top with something. Again, it's not necessary. Pigs can handle a lot more cold than you would think, especially these hair pigs. So do you know which one is our feeder pig?
The biggest.
Do you know which other one is our feeder pig? We have 3. Can you show me them?
That one.
That one?
That one.
Yep.
That one.
Yep. Sausage,
Yeah.
pork chops, ribs, bacon, tenderloin, pork loin, all sorts of things. Yeah, we can have all sorts of things with these pigs. Another thing that we could do is we could sell the babies.
Yeah.
Other people might want pigs, and so these are they're all registered purebred Idaho pasture pigs, and we're keeping the best of the best. The ones that are registered are the best of the best. We're keeping those for breeding stock, so we've got 2 females and 2 males, so 2 gilts and 2 boars. And they're running. Here they come. Fred is a big teddy bear. Fred let me basically just bear hug him and pick him up.
That's how she can get that.
Well, folks, unfortunately, business called. That is one of the hard parts about running an online business. You know, you think, you just sit back and the internet's always on. The internet's always open. But that means that you're always on and you're always open. So things come up that you have to deal with right now, and that's just what happened. Not going to go into a whole lot of detail because that would just be boring. But suffice it to say that I spent the last couple hours dealing with an issue that popped up unexpectedly, as they often do, and that means I'm not going to have time. Yeah, I've run out of time to do the wood chipping. I've run out of time to put up the snow fence. Right now, anyway, I need to go pick up the feed, so I'm going to have to go out there, hook up the trailer. Yeah, so it's probably going to be a late night. That's just how it goes sometimes here on the farm. Sometimes you wake up early, you work all day, and after dinner, you've still got to go out and do another 4 or 5 hours of work. I would say that's what makes it exciting as well. It makes it exciting to never know what you're going to be doing. Not to necessarily say that there isn't structure and there isn't routine, ritual. Of course, there's a lot of that. But there are also those days where, surprise, you get to do something different, whether you wanted to or not. And you've just got to take it. You gotta roll with the punches. You gotta, otherwise you'll get frustrated and you'll just become a grumpy sourpuss. I'll see you on the outside. Okay, so unfortunately the stump grinder is not going to be enough to counterbalance 2,000 pounds of feed, so I'm gonna have to get my 1,000 pound counterweight on here, which means I have to take it all apart.